Looking for the absolute asterisk best gifts for men 2025 asterisk? Look no further. This year, finding that perfect present for the impossible guy just got easier, and you'll want to grab these amazing finds early. Check the description for direct links to buy now. We've scoured the market, testing the latest gadgets and uncovering unique gems that will truly make your guy feel seen. Forget the usual boring presents. This list is packed with items that will surprise and delight, from cutting-edge tech to nostalgic wonders. Number 1. Sony WH-1000XM5. These aren't just headphones, they're an escape, offering unparalleled noise cancellation for the audiophile or remote worker in his life. Number 2. LEGO Icons Typewriter 21327. A stunning, retro-themed LEGO set that merges art with a satisfying build experience. Perfect for the man who appreciates craftsmanship and a touch of nostalgia. Number 3. Google Nest Hub Max. More than a smart display, it's the ultimate command center for a modern smart home, keeping him connected, entertained, and in control. Number 4. Nintendo Switch OLED. The perfect gift for the gamer on the go, bringing vibrant visuals and versatile play options wherever he ventures. Number 5. Anker 737 Power Bank, PowerCore 24K, asterisk. This isn't just a charger, it's a lifeline for all his devices, a must-have for the tech-savvy man who's always on the move. This curated selection goes beyond the obvious, offering truly unique Christmas gifts for guys that will make any occasion special. We've dug deep to find the coolest gadgets and most thoughtful items, ensuring his next gift is nothing short of legendary. From innovative smart home tech to the best gaming gear and essential mobile accessories, prepared to make his day. Don't miss out on these incredible finds to secure the title of Best Gift Giver this 2025.